I'm going to teach you how to use the router. And then you're going to do them all. Does that sound fair?
Yeah, that's fine. How do you turn this off?
That's it.
It's off?
Yeah, you're good. Now you can.
Alright.
Just lay it down flat. Yeah. Alright. And this is the router.
Mm-hmm.
It has like some speed options, but it's set to a rather low speed.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the bit.
Mm-hmm.
The bit I already set to the depth of one of those plates.
Alright.
So we're going to separate one of these. And we're going to take out this.
Gotcha.
I'll provide you with some glasses.
Lovely.
And that plugs in over there. You can keep this side here so it supports it on a flat surface all the way around. Just remember to go counterclockwise with it.
Even if I'm going backwards?
Yeah.
So like still go the other side? Okay.
You seem like you're enjoying yourself.
I am. I'm having a blast.
So we have another type of connector called the biscuit jointer. And we're going to do that after.
Okay.
Bless you. Bless you.
This is sawdust.
Bless you.
This is sawdust.
Yeah.
I'm allergic to dust. Any type of dust.
We've been going at this for, bless you, 20 minutes now.
It's not that bad.
Bless you.
I've been sneezing for about 5 of those minutes.
So now we're gonna go back and can you make them all pretty again at the bottom?
Yeah. It was the other side.
We bump the GoPro again.
Sorry. Keep on hitting things. You press up those two back this way. You go. You go. Right. Yeah, that's right. Yep.
Okay. Now where's that tape measure at? So here's how this guy works. There's a spring right here.
Yeah.
This is going to compress against the side.
Yep.
This blade comes out.
Yep.
Cuts a little biscuit into the side of your project.
Okay. Do we have biscuits to join them back together? Cool. I know. I think I know what a biscuit, like how to connect with biscuits and glue and all that stuff later. But yeah, don't you just like slide this into the biscuit hole and then cover it all with glue and then the other side of the biscuit? Where? Cool.
No, that's what we're about to do.
Cool. All right. Which one first?
I'm going to show you how to do it, and then you can do whatever you want.
This way. Oh, the trash can? Oh.
Here, right there.
My gum.
Yeah.
Went tasteless like 2 hours ago.
Yeah. Don't think it. ping it with your watch. Oh, it's on the charger.
Oh. Ha! Forgot about that shit.
Good job, buddy.
That picture? I look insane.
No, I know. Hope this fits.
I literally look insane.
I know. It's okay. I'm gonna duct tape that just so it doesn't come apart. So we're gonna pull over to where we marked. Walnut.
Yeah.
We're gonna turn the vacuum on.
I'm trying to change that.
I know, you're cute. Anyways. Where's that square?
Right there.
Grab that. Let's see what pencil over here. Here we go. No, that's not where we're going with this. No. No. You cut these by hand.
Yeah.
They're not going to be square.
Not by hand. One of those.
You want to run it on the edge. Find somewhere at the lowest point and give us just a little bit more.
Sort of like that.
A little bit more. So we'll have enough to trim off of this board as well.
How's that?
That's pretty good. So now we're going to use a big guy and do the same thing. Using the same side as the reference and just go down a little bit. Yeah. And then you can continue your line across. Okay, good. So we always, like, this is why I do the little bit of talking intro. I don't know if I'll cut this out, because some might be comical. I do this so that any of the movement of activating the GoPro that I just did by hand gives it time to stabilize. So like sometimes I'll just like walk around in a circle and then like it'll finally stop shaking. Because sometimes it shakes very like minusculely.
But you can still tell when you look at it again.
Yeah, even though the like motion sensors in this are pretty good, it's not perfect. So you do your best. Can I have this off, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. So the bigger side of the saw is on this side. So we're gonna want to have that coming from your side going this way.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna measure when the battery's out. Well, that's big, some people don't take that out or leave their saw plugged in. That's dangerous. What do we got?
Smooth.
Yeah, it has wheels on the bottom.
Awesome.
What do we got?
Between
The saw blade and the edge.
this edge?
No, the other one.
This edge.
Nope. Oh, my side. From there to the longest side.
Oh, 3. Oh. 3 and 9/16.
You want to call it 3.5?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
It's literally like the 16th line over. Okay.
I know. So now we're going to come over here. Where is the pencil that you used? Intermission. We're gonna have to do a trick where you lift this up by hand and then you start your cut. Yep. So you're just gonna pull the trigger and then just follow the cut all the way through.
Okay.
You need to pull this down before you pull the trigger.
Okay.
Because if not,
It won't start.
yeah. But then once you have the trigger pulled,
You don't have to hold it.
correct.
Are you gonna hold this?
Yep.
Okay. Should I grab one of these batteries?
Yeah, grab the bigger one.
Can we just put the bigger one back?
Yeah, because we were doing the demonstration and we wanted to set everything up without having the power on.
That would make sense, wouldn't it?
Yep. So you can test it out,
What?
the feeling of the power of the saw. So just pick it up and, yep. Let's pull this out for now.
Okay.
What you're going to do is you're going to use that black handle on the saw guard. Yep. And then once you get into the first board, you can let go of that and it'll do its job normally.
Once I get into the first board?
Yeah. Like all,
Are you sure we should put it on that instead?
I mean, this has wheels. Fine. If you want,
I just
we'll
feel
add
like,
some clamps.
okay. Why do you do yours sideways?
What do you mean?
Like, why is yours sideways?
Because it's what I caught on the table saw.
Oh. What did I catch? I just caught it before.
Remember to move the blade guard.
I just want to make sure.
What happened there?
I don't know. Can we cut again? Or just...
No. Here. Circle. Eat.
Out.
No, other side. How much should be this? Buddy,
What?
if you move the wrong way, you will cut your arm open. That way as well.
Which?
Cut away from yourself.
Buddy.
Buddy, I don't want you to get hurt. Alright, go ahead and hit everything with the vacuum before